Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Dabur Anmol Gold Coconut Oil with me. But before proceeding ahead, if you are new here on our channel, then do subscribe to us. So let's start. Today we are going to see first impression of Dabur Anmol Gold Coconut Oil. So this is how front packaging of Dabur Anmol Gold looks like, and it's made with pure coconut oil. You will also able to see picture of coconuts on packaging. Here they have given the cost of the product, that is rupees 34. The manufacturing date of the product is 30th April 2021. You will also able to see green dot which says that it's a vegetarian product. The net volume of the product is 100 ml. They got FSSAI license number. It's best before 18 months from packaging, and it's marketed by Dabur India Limited. If you have query about the product, then you can write to them on their email ID or you can call them. On packaging, they have given little information about the product, that is Dabur Anmol Gold Coconut Oil is made from finest coconuts, full of goodness of coconuts. Regular use of this edible coconut oil gives you abundant nourishment. So edible means you can even consume this oil. Ingredient they have used in this product are coconut oil 99.99% and antioxidant INS 319. They have given nutritional fact about the product: energy 900 kcal, protein 0 gram, carbohydrate 0 gram, sugar 0 gram, fats 100 grams, total trans fat 0 gram, saturated fat 92 grams, cholesterol 0 milligram. Keep this product away from direct sunlight and don't buy if it's lit. So this was the first impression of Dabur Anmol Gold Coconut Oil. I am going to use this coconut oil at least for 15 days, and then I am going to share a review with you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to us. Thank you.